Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace Skoda Fabia MK1 gear shift gaiter in 6 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So we are here in a Skoda Fabia from 2006 and we will replace the shift gaiter. So for that you have to remove the old shift gaiter and you have to push the edge of the gaiter forward and then lift it up. There's some clamps in the back and also in the front, if you can see. Also those two on the front. We don't have on the sides. So lift the gaiter up to see the metal ring. If you cannot remove it like this, you should remove the part from the center console. So you have to open the ashtray, remove that part, and then you can see those three T20 Torx bolts that you have to remove it, and then you can remove all the part around the shift gaiter, and then you can separate the shift gaiter from the plastic part. Now you can see the metal ring. So you have to use a flat blade screwdriver to expand that metal clip, or you can use a side cutters to cut it or something similar just to expand that metal. After that you just have to pull it up . Then pull the gear shift knob out. If you can see, there's a mark on the lever. You have to pull it harder to take it out. You can find gear shift knob and gaiter boot cover at the best price in the video description below. After you bought a new shift gaiter, so replace the old gaiter with a new one. So you have to install the new gaiter. So place it on the lever, and then push it until you see that, until you pass that mark. After that you just have to use a plier to put the metal ring back, to squeeze the metal ring, and then install the gaiter back on the center console, starting from the front and then on the back. If you have any suggestions about Skoda tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.